Let's get that coffee. This week's vlog, not too exciting. It's just a lot of sticker making for Sukkot and for Halloween, and maybe I'll get to work on some other art. We'll see. It's been kind of hectic between trying to possibly find a new place to live. LA is expensive. And potentially some medical issues for myself and medical issues for Makemake, my cat. So just a lot going on. But while all that's going on, I'm still working on art and making things and just trying to kind of do that. Also, my day job is real busy, so it's that. That's why these vlogs aren't coming out like weekly or like consistently as they used to be. Lots going on, but I still want to share stuff with you guys, and this part's still kind of fun. So let's do it. got my bee sweets. The containers are small. I need to save these for dinner, but I'm gonna take a bite now. This is the ube, which is like a purple, sweet purple yam. Purple. Yeah. That's pretty great. I will save this for dinner tonight because it is the middle of the day and I shouldn't just have bread pudding for lunch. Oh my god, that's so good. And then this is the Reese's Pieces one. This is for Max, so I'm eating his a little bite. I just want to know what it tastes like. Okay, that's amazing. Really sweet. This is sweeter than the ube. I think the ube would be like my regular go-to, but ooh man, if you love peanut butter and chocolate, damn, that is good. So I'm gonna save these for later so I don't eat my husband's dessert. I also like that the container sizes for these were small. They had a being good size, which were like 8 ounces, which is I think the perfect amount. And they had a being bad, or because it's Halloween, being evil size, which is twice the amount, but I think that would have been too much. And you get the smaller sizes, you could try different flavors. So I'm really happy I finally got to eat that. I've always wanted to try it. And it's next to it's really close to my day job if I had to go into the office, which I don't have to go in that often. And they're only open Thursday through Sunday. And when I go to work, it's usually to pick up a drive, and that's usually on a Monday or Tuesday. So I never get to go. So this is a drive pickup on a Thursday. Just finally able to eat there, so. Also, their Thai tea is vegan. It's made with oat milk, which I'm kind of grateful for, to have like a dairy-free Thai tea latte, because most of the time you can't get it dairy-free. It's always like dairy Thai tea, which is delicious. Will admit the taste is great. It is a little bit watered down because it's not real milk, but it still tastes pretty good. So heads up on that if you want a non-dairy Thai tea latte, because your tummy does not agree with dairy and you can't always ignore that. So that's pretty much it for the vlog. I did want to talk about this little mushroom vacuum that I got. It's great for like picking up little like eraser like shavings and stuff from drawing. Like it's just a little... It's really cute and I love it. But outside of that, nothing else really going on right now except for drawing and things like that. And this evening, I'm going to go to a Jukebox the Ghost show, so I'll probably end this vlog with footage from that. But outside of that, I'll see you guys when I see ya.
They built a machine, one the most you've never seen, under the ocean, where the stars look blue. Built so long ago that we didn't really know which proceeding created who. The X was always right, said we were made side by side, but everybody knows that isn't true. Everybody knows it isn't true. stars look blue, the machine is made for you.